You trying to blame people for you not having no ambition. No pride, no nothing.
Yes, my dear.
If somebody trying to do anything to you, it's because of what comes out your mouth.
To me can't pray, but me need to be praying.
True, me can't pray, but me need to go pray. Like the pastor, King's Chapel, he don't hear you. Don't you see that you watering down that man certificate of being a pastor?
So I can go to the church and ask the pastor and say, listen, pastor, I need help. I will leave a demon out here. Spiritual warfare attack. You
and the whole of your friend, them, all two of them are cuss you. Eh? Oh, yeah. And the only best people out here, the cockroach, is Lorraine, Michelle, and all these people that they turn around and cuss you dumb ass out.
Looking at myself, I walk across my church and say, you know what? I get on Facebook and I go on with that kind of things. My life is that.
Let me tell you something. You have some twins out here. And I'm talking about some, every time y'all see a church, y'all need to go into it. They're wall out on the licky. Don't have a licky spirit. You see anybody where people can pay off, like Uno, be exposed. Uno stop shake my blood clot life because I that no good for. Uno can't do nothing to me. Uno go suck on yourself. This is on a friend. Don't start me. Leave it alone. Somehow, Uno, when the thunder roll, God have things for majority of Uno licky spirit out here. So the bishop from King's Chapel, he sit there when he watch you tell people or tell men and women to come and suck you out when you see in your ministry. And all the things that you say, that pastor don't correct you.
Christian people watch me. Bishop watch me. Politician watch me.
They ain't no goddamn Christian. And if they politicians, they robbing the people. Cause you one of them in the now scammers. You one of them habituous liars, like nothing about you. You need fixing. You yourself will have to go to the Lord. You know him, but you play too goddamn much. And it's all over greed. And you having jealous spirit, covetous spirit, Jezebel spirit, all these different types. Jankra spirit.
Athletes watch me. Reggae artists watch. I don't know who don't watch me from me.
Oh, shit. Where are they?
East, West, North, and South. White people watch me. Even though they don't understand what...
Caucasian people, only if they're listening to you and they understand you. They need people that's going to teach them the language, patois, for free. So when they hear people like you, they can understand what's going on. And they would look at you and say, you trifling and you despicable. You want the Lord to do so much harm to people. All for you, big teddy bear. Do you see it's not working? First of all, Marcia, the Lord don't like for people to tell him what to do, when to do, and how to do. And if it was so, it would have been a little different, wouldn't it? But this is the way it is. So he'll never listen to you with the things that you want for your own recreational use. Sick of you.
I'm saying, but they watch me.
They watch you and what? There is no way in hell that anyone would sit there and watch you with sense and agree with you. Even if they dumber than you. Some shit is going on with the people that watches you and agree with you, believe in you, and all of these different things. All the embarrassment, all of it. They don't mean you well. Because they see you not meaning yourself well. It ain't like they just come being nosy and you just embarrass them because that ain't how who you is. Right, but if
and me have to come out here all the time and trip up nasty bad one.
That trampoline gum don't know the meaning of scammer because she a scammer. Any girl you see come out here so Karen and don't want to talk about them life and how them face how them get reconstructed surgery for free. Them can't talk to me. Bottom line. They have no watch man, listen, watch every time when I come out here and I'm telling the truth. They need it. They some dumbass people. Hello everybody.
Because we didn't provoking spirit. Well, we don't have time to change.
Let me tell you something. The whole of them, they say, them they just want back one woman down in our wall and them near her alive. And them say that it's not happening. And it's a whole bunch of things. I'm here to tell the truth like it ain't nobody's business. I'm not opening up nothing. I'm not listening to halfway nothing because I'm sick of them now. So this time around, and then I know I done went to jail for, and y'all don't even know the reason why I went to jail for no reason. When I say no reason, I'm on them like it ain't nobody's business. And because I'm younger than these nasty ass people that come out here and polluting the air, this is just exactly what the Lord wants. As he bless who he needs to bless, sometimes he just gonna have to, he be working. Because these people been wicked from morning. And then I come and then I play with people like, you know what I mean? So y'all starting to find out all of these different things. Oh, I never know. This is not how she used to be. Shit like that. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down, man.
We don't have time to change. It's never too late to change.
Without your makeup and without the ear dye in your ear, when you looking at a mirror, tell yourself that. It's never too late. Look at you. You're getting older.
Because
all of this is for view. What is the viewpoint though? I would rather just say, you know what? Can I get a couple of dollars? Instead of putting all of these things on their ticket that they have to go and answer to, just like everybody else. Do you see? It's a whole disrespect. I don't give a damn.
I make by YouTube. We see how people come on this occasion. Desperation. Calling me shoplifter with my name. Yeah? Shoplifter. Be Marcia Campbell.
You look like something.
Yeah? That is slandering.
Oh, there you go, trying to look money.
And this, and what you call it? The slandering our defamation of character.
Not before all the things that I talk to you about on the daily, or whenever I get to you and I make, you know, I have something to tell you. It's too late for that, ma'am. Keep walking the way you're walking. I have no problem with you saying that. But it would only go one way. The rest of the way, it's a uh-uh.
Telling people come up here lying, telling people what people call her until I say, me have them.
Oh. Damn. So why you do the things you do? Now all the two of them got to do is just stay on you. One of them is one that you worry about and it bring out a different side of you. And every time she come out here, you hate that girl. You hate her. And I'm trying to see, and I think I pretty much got it, Marcia. Out of everybody on social media, that one person is the one that needs to stay on you. Because when she press gas, there's another side that come out of you. And it's true, y'all. I swear to God, while it's raining outside, I'll tell y'all about it if she keep going.
You take out rock product on credit card and because I love to cost people and I want to cost me. Then all the people that call me and tell me that. Me, anytime me go buy my something, me carry my own bank card or me cash in my hand. Nobody in this world, in the USA, let me say the USA, kind of credit card can't use, the credit card can't use unless you're present.
A credit card can be used if you're not present. It's called a phone, idiot. And it's 2 ways, or even more, with higher intelligence that you can do such. But I'm not a robber, I'm not a thief.
If you're going to go to a store to go buy something or anything, you have to go buy it right over, right in. So that if somebody didn't have to come with me, which from me a shop, I'm from me a shop.
There's many times I'll give one of my cards and I'm not around. You're dumb. I don't want to get into your business. I don't like you playing around with church. So whatever else that you say after that, I'm going to answer to it. And I know why I'm doing it in this behavior and all of these things. Sick of you.
But I appreciate me never carry a soul with me yet. So me don't know how some somebody can put credit card for me and when me buy. When me want nothing to buy, they have app. They have app in my phone. When me want nothing, they have app who give it.
You shit up America. I your friend then. You see how your friend them Marcia will curse you. And why you don't have a versus backup? Lorraine and Michelle versus Tina Chin and Marcia. Cause of that go on, you know.
$1,000, $600, $500, $300. Nobody not to put nothing on credit card to this idea.
All of you women them buy your traveling tickets. It's never a man who buy you nothing. You always have to depend on the... You see, when the problem is, when I worry about people exposing y'all in y'all lives. So I want to try to dim the light of people. You see, never you ramp with a person like me, you know. None of you where come and not try to shape my life or make it slow down or do whatever. Stop doing that. You know why? Because I'm not in none of y'all way. Because if I was supposed to do the things that y'all need to do, it wouldn't have been no shit like this. And it'd still be entertainment all over the place. I've drunk her spirit. And that's the same shit that is going on now. Earlier, I couldn't say it. But best believe I will slam dunk before I go and get dressed for work. The truth on y'all out here. For real out here. What I view y'all as, pussies. The way y'all do things. what y'all can take from what y'all can't take, that y'all put on yourselves, that y'all try to blame on people. That's why I only fuck with who I fuck with. Y'all need to hear the truth just like that. Don't forget.
Split four. I can different one on the app on my phone. So if I want something, I have to go to those apps. Every curves and cap.
Sure. Yeah. Hey, it's a punk, listen up. Marcia is a punk. Remember me telling her, yeah?
Split the money in 6 or 4 times. Nobody can call me and tell me nothing about merchandise. Because nobody can come with me which part merchandise me about.
Hey, them type of big man, girl, I'm going to tell you something. You go, you see them outside, and like you getting ready to get something, and you just say something, you know? Then when snatch off would create excitement, and you didn't even touch them yet. They the type and act like they did something. When somebody really trying to check their chin, like, what was you talking about? Now it's that time and you doing all of this. But you see how they play? I don't play like that. If I owe you something, I'm giving it to you.
If I carry a soul in me from my merchandise. And everybody knows if you use credit card, give somebody a present.
Idiot. No, you
and
don't.
If they don't come buy something for me, who them going to go to picky box and they want? All them over there. You tell me now. If they don't come buy goods for me, where? Supermarket? Food? Where? What kind of goods?
And you, Marcia, I'm not even in the mood since I've been out of jail. But I'm going to tell you one time, and I'm going to tell you only, and this is all for me. You heard to leave one person alone. Leave her alone, Marcia. Because you cannot take heat. And you only have strength for one person. Alright? The whole of them, what them a cuss and them not like one woman and all of this. Listen, nowadays, I'm not in that mood.
And that's not close.
Trying to tell you.
So what kind of goods them going to buy for me?
Punk.
Anytime they buy a dress like, me go to the store, they go pick up 4 and 5 or 6 dress right in my hand. Me never shopping.
You know, say, she forgot one party, a all-white party, but because she never have nothing for wear, all kind of excuses, but really feel bad. Have you heard her lately? No respect for children. Just nasty. No regards.
So these things are called slandering. And this girl continues to come out here with false information.
Every time she speak, every year she speak. That same girl, every year she speak. She buckle you at the knees. And I gotta say it flat across the board. You ain't gonna talk to me because you know it's a wrap. I put you in your place and I sound you out. And I'm not like nobody else, and you know this. But this one person buckle your knees. Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
God, I will fix you.
Let's
yes, I know that from yesterday.
Yo, she giving you the...
God is going to fix it.
Boy.
They're desperate for money to buy a house. What happened?
I told it tech for year back. Yeah, man. They one of them neck on around your neck like this and the other one off. Yo, that I wanna give some licking of them knees there.
All of a sudden, we never talk about money to buy a house. But you see the woman come from Jamaica now.
Don't leave her name out of it. I just told you, dumbass. This is what I'm saying. You're an idiot. You and the nasty girl over there, so. The two are gonna come out and act like say, wanna have the world. You know when you talk, one time you want people to hear you, the world. And all of these things, how you be sounding. That shit be... Hey, yo. Yo. Oh, my God.
You're jealous about mine. When you are calling jealous about mine, is it that because you want to come here?
Don't worry about it. She not in y'all league and y'all not in her league. Point blank and period. So when you in your shenanigans, go on with your shenanigans. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all don't have no business. To see what beautiful things one doing versus y'all crabby. I wanna come from the downright, on the top of ghetto. Marcia, ghetto. I wanna make the ghetto of mansions. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. And I lie. And I dare you say her name because guess what, Marcia? I'm only talking to you. You need to learn that.
And you want to get money to buy a house, you're talking about you're not stop.
You know, I've been telling the people for a long time they need to go ahead and make money off of you. You're a big joke. With all your lies and everything that you came out here with disrespectfully, I said that they should go on. I promoted. I said that they should go on and make money off of you.
Then now stop bothering me. She don't get the money out of me. Well,
and she shouldn't. Because when you're doing all the things that you're doing, that's bullying.
That's what yesterday, out of these lips, out of these prayer, they pass. You see, pastor, see the olive oil, the pastor just touch me and pray for me. I'm going to tell you, before you leave the house out of me, I decree and declare, they'll drop dead first. Before you come on social media.
Listen to the things that you say out your mouth.
Slander me and provoke me.
Oh yeah, Marcia, you can tell your internet son. You see anytime she there over there, so with the earthquake fuckery that she be talking about and all of this, her day coming of questioning. What is she here for? And I know that they only learn off for the best. But she slowly, your internet son, the one that look like you, she slowly but surely itching to get there. Yeah. So it's coming. It's coming.
You not answer. You will go to bed and never wake up. Before you, Gracie, come on social media and slander me and provoke me and tell lie on me. Because I lie lips is a combination.
You know what? People got to really think about it. Is it something that Gracie know about you that you're afraid of? Because I'm intelligent and I like to connect dots by myself. Now, for your behavior every time she open up her mouth, is it something that could actually keep you focused? I would like to know. Now all of a sudden you remember defamation of character. You shouldn't remember it. I want to know what you're running from.
And he said people who love to tell lies, they are devil. They are child of Satan.
Oh yes, and you know you are a child of Satan. You are. All the lies, honey. All the lies that you tell the people, that you're making people. And I'm talking about something. The only thing that you have to swing and roll and ride on is just that passport of yours. And that don't even make you, because you downgraded to an American citizen shithouse. Tell me at any given time where that makes sense. And for the extravagance, all of this, baby, all of this about you, underneath you're empty. It doesn't make sense. And I'm curious to know what she knows about you. See, I don't want to know out loud. Whatever it is, that's where she needs to keep it. For whatever reason. Because it's always... Y'all notice that?
So if you believe that, you're going to come on social media and write up.
Hey, them call my mother all the while, and I'm going to tell y'all the reason why. Because I sit here and I do things like nobody's business. And I call these hoes out for what they are. And when I see where I feel like this can should stay right here, that's what I mean. Because I see something else, and this one running from it. You see, a part of her beating, either it's going to take somebody that is just like her, or it's going to take somebody to tell her.